Hey guys, so today we're going to make a Thai red curry soup. I'll flip my screen round and you'll be able to see what ingredients you'll need, but I'll put a little list up anyway just to keep yours right. So these are all the ingredients you'll need. I will put up a list of where you could get these the cheapest as well, because in a supermarket this will cost about £2.50, but you could actually get from Home Bargains for like 89p. So if you chop up your onion and add your tablespoon of ginger and fry that off just until it's a little bit soft. So if you add 2 tablespoons of your Thai curry paste, it doesn't look like much, but the flavour goes a long way. The rest can be put in the fridge and kept up to a month, and because you only need 2 tablespoons you'll get quite a few meals out of that. And if you're scant and you've not got all the ingredients in the house to make a chicken curry or whatever, just chuck in loads of vegetables with the paste and some rice. It'll turn out quite nice. So it says in the recipe you have to cut your carrots into buttons. I didn't know how to do that, so I YouTubed it and I will show you just now how to do it. So if you cut a bit off here so it's flat and you could work with it without it rolling about, just cut into thin slices like that, and you turn it over, cut into thinner slices again. That's a button. So add your carrot, mushrooms, pepper, rice and your stock and bring it to the boil. Once it's at the boil, simmer it for roughly how long rice takes to cook. So I would say maybe about 20 minutes. So you'll be left with 3 ingredients: your coconut milk, frozen peas and your chicken. This is just cooked chicken from Home Bargains, cost me about £1.50. You don't need to go out and buy a whole chicken and cook it, this is the easiest way. And this coconut milk is only 79p out of Asda's, and we'll only be using half it, so you could keep the rest for another Thai curry. So I've added half a tin of coconut milk, the frozen peas, and I shredded up that chicken and threw it in. The other half of the coconut milk, if you tub that up and keep it in your fridge, you could use that for another recipe. And that's it. You know when it's ready because the rice will be soft.